Do you need a reliable dumpster rental in Oceanside, New York? Look no further than S&S Containers Incorporated. We are committed to providing top-notch waste management solutions tailored to our clients' needs. As a locally owned and operated business, we take pride in serving the Oceanside, New York community professionally and efficiently. Our experienced professionals are dedicated to delivering exceptional customer service from the moment you contact us. Whether you're planning a home renovation, a large-scale construction project, or a community cleanup, we have the perfect dumpster rental solution for you. S&S Containers Incorporated offers a wide range of dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of any scale. Our dumpsters are well maintained, regularly inspected, and designed to ensure safe and reliable usage. Renting a dumpster from S&S Containers Incorporated is simple and hassle-free. Our knowledgeable staff will guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the right dumpster size for your needs. Contact us at 718-648-2010 or visit our website at www.ssdumpsterrentals.com, Dumpster Rental Oceanside NY, to make your reservation. Trust S&S Containers Incorporated for all your dumpster rental needs in Oceanside, New York. We're here to help you manage your waste efficiently and responsibly.